What's going on, everyone? So, even up to this day, I still get comments asking how I color fill my slides. So, color filling is filling in these letters to where they're more visible on your slide of your handgun. So, I've made a few videos about this in the past, but I figured I'd go ahead and make another one. This one's got a little bit more going on. We have the APX here on the top of the slide, and then Beretta on this side. This side's blank, so I'm not going to be doing anything with this, obviously. But so we're going to do the Beretta and the APX. And I'm going to do the full video, and I recommend you watch the entire video before you even try to do this yourself, only because I had one person say that he ruined the slide. He claimed it was my fault. He said he followed it step by step. I've done this to about 20 handguns so far and haven't messed up the finish on my slides, but someone said they had, so watch the video fully and do it at your own risk. I haven't had any personal problems with it myself, but I guess things can happen. Just to go over the things that I use for this process, I got a brand new microfiber here. I'm going to use this to get any oils or anything that are on this slide, get them off. I've got just regular nail polish. Someone said there's specific types you're supposed to use. I've used just various random ones and never checked anything that's in them and haven't had any problems with any nail polishes. Some cotton. Now, I do use cotton balls sometimes, but this is what they had when I went to the store, so I just got this. And very important, non-acetone nail polish remover. Supposedly, now I haven't tried it, supposedly acetone nail polish remover will eat the finish. I have used acetone nail polish remover to remove spray paint from a gun in my video of why not to spray paint a gun. It did not mess up the finish, but for this I've always used non-acetone. I'm also using a new mic, so hopefully my audio sounds good, but I guess we'll find out soon. So I'm going to take this microfiber and I'm just going to, you can see around this site, some of the oil is built up and everything. It's going to be around the front. Those spots don't really matter, but I go ahead and hit the whole thing pretty much and then just make sure that it's off of here. So just go thorough and try to make sure it's all off. You can tape off areas you don't want it to get to. I never have and hadn't had an issue getting it off where it doesn't need to be, but I've seen some videos where people did. So you can choose to do that if you want to. I don't have any tape here, so it's one of the things I'm not going to worry about. So I got it here, and pretty much all the oil is gone. So next step is going to be using the nail polish, and then I guess I will bring it in closer. Alright, so I have the nail polish here, and we're just going to take it. I haven't opened this in a while, so hopefully we're going to stay together. I kind of dab into it, trying to fill it, make sure that it's not going to have any air pockets that are keeping the letters from getting in there. So just like that. And then I'm going to take this side here. Just do the same thing. Now these feel fairly shallow, so when you go to remove this on the next step, you might get some of the lettering kind of coming off when you go to rub it clean. If that happens, which I've had that happen a few times, just reapply it. Maybe let it dry a little bit longer or something, and it'll eventually take. Alright, so now just sit and watch paint dry. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes or so. Feels pretty dry, so I'm going to set that aside. We're going to use this and a cloth. It took me a minute to figure out how this bottle worked, so alright, so we got some remover on here. Just gonna take my slide, just lightly rub it.
And then before that soaks in too much, I'll hit it with a cloth to take off the nail polish remover from the slide. I'm going to do the same thing with the top. And again, just remove that nail polish remover off of it. Alright, so now they're filled, and I mean it looks good as it is, but next I just take some like lubricant or rim oil, whatever, and I'm going to put some on here, kind of buff it in, and then it'll be done.
What is that? The pistachio that you using.
So I got the rim oil here, or lubricant, whatever. Just gonna put a ton of it on. I mainly just kind of cover the whole slide, that way it all stays even, because I don't think with this slide it's gonna matter, but like on my Tauruses, with the style of finish they got, if you do this to some of the slide, not the others, it looks off. So yeah, I'm just gonna hit the whole thing with it, because why not? Alright, so this is all oiled up. Now I'm just going to take my microfiber and essentially wipe it off. So that's the finished product. May not be for everyone, but I feel like that looks pretty good. That's how I color fill. So I haven't ruined a slide yet. I know someone said that it did to theirs, but I think it works pretty well. If you enjoyed the video, please hit this video with a like, subscribe to the channel. That's what I got for you. I'll see y'all next time.